Morning guys, welcome to the start of a new weekly. It is Wednesday. I keep starting these vlogs on a really random day of the week. I'm at home working today. Surprise, surprise. I had a really great day yesterday. Had a really great work day and I was in such a positive mood for the first time in a really long time, which is amazing. I'm just gonna put some lipstick on quickly. It's Bobbi Brown's Luxe lip colour in Pink Nude. That's nice. I had a bit of a meeting with Gleam about kind of how work's been and like what my goals are and brands that I want to work with and kind of just exciting things that are coming up. And now I'm feeling really inspired, which is great. I also had a circus class last night, so I'm aching all over today. This morning G bought me breakfast in bed, which was so lovely, such a treat. He bought me an overnight oat kind of yogurt pot and a cheese and tomato croissant, and obviously I wasn't gonna eat all of that for breakfast, so I'm just about to tuck into my croissant with a cup of tea in my Willy mug now. Just bloody remembered that I haven't vlogged all day since this morning, but I did some work at home. I feel like I look really tired today. I think it's because I've straightened my hair and it's making me look a bit lank. But I just met up with a girl called Madison. I'll leave her Instagram down below. We met years ago during the whole, like, when we first started our blogs at an event, I think. But we've spoken a lot online. She used to run an amazing sex blog. And for some reason the other day I was just like, oh, I wonder what she's up to now. So reconnected and we decided to go for coffee. Yeah, I feel really nice and light. I'm just gonna go back home now. And G and I are going to a gig tonight. We're going to see Little Comets, one of my favourite bands. Haven't seen them in ages, so it'll be nice to have a dance. I went home, laid on the sofa for a bit, and now I'm at Nando's with Faye. We're going to the gig, but we wanted some chicken before we went. This actually looks like a bloody good Nando's, doesn't it? Just keeps her body slowly, surely, holy water. Hey guys, it's Thursday. The gig last night was so fun. It was nice to just let my hair down, have a nice bit of a boogie. Such a good band. Kind of want to listen to their music more today. But today I'm working at home. G's also working at home, which is a nice surprise. We're both working in the kitchen. Not in the kitchen, in the living room. We've got a little work space set up here, which is just lovely. We haven't been on the stage in ages. Really need to get some kind of seat up there because we just don't use it at all at the moment. It looks cute. Just about to pop out to Waitrose to get something for lunch. I'm taking G on a secret date later, so it's a date that I've planned that he doesn't know about, and it's a secret until we get there, but I'm really looking forward to it. We're going to see which is like a really cool circus show in Leicester Square. I've seen it before and it's so good, so I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you didn't hear that. For lunch, I got this salt beef pretzel sub from Heston at Waitrose. We're cooking ravioli for dinner before we go out this evening. Are you excited about our date? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Look at us, we're wearing matching outfits and everything, unintentionally.
I'm gonna buy some leather trousers tomorrow.
Yeah, can you? Oh, my flies are on. We are at Big Tent in Leicester Square. It's literally a tent, it's really cool. There's a Christmas tree and a bar, and I'll show you outside after. It's really festive. Even just coming to the outside the Christmas market bit here is such a nice date idea, I think. It's really quirky. Last night was so body good. I didn't vlog when we got home, but we had the best evening. Oh my god, I look like I've been crying, literally. I think I've put too much copper eyeshadow on today. But yeah, last night was just such a good date. Like, if you want to take someone on a date to impress or give them an experience that they haven't maybe had before, I'd really recommend Le Click. I'd seen them years ago, like when they first came to London in 2008, I think it was. Oh no, that reminds me, I think I left the programme there. Oh bugger, I left the programme under my seat. Oh, it was great then and it's just as great today. And G had never seen any circus like that. It was funny, it was sexy, it was so impressive. Some of the acts were just so like mind-blowing how they did it, and the strength, and yeah, it was just an amazing show. So I'd really recommend. It's on until the first week of January, I think, and tickets are from 21 quid. I'm actually starting a new series over on my Instagram stories where I recommend London dates, so come over and follow me there if you want some of those. I also do still need to start my date series on my YouTube channel, and I'm also going to start one on my blog as well. So if you guys are in it, like, doesn't necessarily have to be with a romantic partner, but if there's like things in London that I think are really cool, I definitely want to share them with you guys. And I've been trying to do that over on my vlogs recently, like, and there have been so many cool events in London over the past couple of weeks, and I've kind of just been getting tickets for all of them because I want to share them with you guys, because I know a lot of you ask me for like recommendations of what to do in London if you're not from here, or if you want to impress someone. I am feeling a little bit rough today. I just, like, I look so tired. I think it's because I've been out every evening pretty much for the last 2 weeks, and I've just hit a point now where I'm exhausted physically and mentally as well. But it's Friday, yay. I'm also out this weekend every day, which is a bit of a shame because I just want some time at home. But I'm just about to film a video. I am going to film a Love Honey advent calendar unboxing. I filmed this video last year and it was the first like sex toy content video I'd filmed, and you guys liked it, so I'm going to film another one. Here it is. I have no idea what's in it. I haven't had a peek at all, so I'm looking forward to opening that, filming that for my channel. I'm going to try and edit it and get it up for Sunday, so if it's up I'll leave a link down below and you can check that out. I think that'll pretty much take up the entire day. Also, I'm considering ordering myself a delivery for lunch today because we've got no food in, and I feel like a bit of a treat. Even though I have eaten out a lot this week, I do quite like the idea of having like a salad delivered to my house. So I might see about that. What time is it? 5 to 12. I have just filmed the video and I've just finished. As my lunch came, I did get a delivery, but look at this, it looks so good. I got, this place near us had 50% off, so I got chicken breast Caesar salad. I got a little pot of chickpea and feta, got some sesame broccoli, and I got a coconut water because apparently this is good for like dehydration. Look at that, amazing little lunch surrounded by sex toys. So funny. That video I filmed earlier I'm really happy with, but something was wrong with my microphone and there's like this really low annoying buzz and hum throughout all of it, which is really sad. I think I'm still going to put it up anyway. G's currently on his music software trying to see if he can get rid of the sound for me. I don't really know what caused it, which is annoying, but hopefully it's not that distracting for you guys. Look at this intense music software. Calendar. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you'll know that this time last year I unboxed the Love Honey advent calendar, and it was my first video into this new kind of content for me. And I was nervous about I don't like it. This is going to be it. I'm going to unbox it. Don't watch all of this, but I will put a link to it in the down by a few items. That's so good. I sound like I'm like selling stuff on an advert. tonight is Friday night, and I've been looking forward to this all week because just having a night in with G, we decided to cook one of our fave meals from Jamie Oliver. We used to cook together all the time when we first moved in, and everything's just been so busy recently that we just haven't. So I'm happy to be back in the kitchen cooking with him. Gnarly peanut chicken, which is one of our faves. We've got peanut butter sauce with lime and garlic. We've got some broccoli. Warming our chicken up at the moment. Oh, and we're gonna have them with these Singapore style noodles. Here we go, look at this. With an Asian inspired broccoli sesame. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. G and I are coming for brunch this morning to one of our favourite brunch spots called Brunswick East in Dalston. So if you're on the lookout for a cool brunch spot in East, this is it. We can't book, so we're hoping we're not gonna have to wait too long for a table, but can't wait. So it's like off in a little courtyard, and in the summer this is like so busy in the sun. It's lovely, but we're gonna eat inside. We have now come to a cafe antique store that we absolutely love in Dalston. So I'm gonna film some little clips. It's so quirky, it's awesome. Looks like this. This guy and his dog. Got a little cafe bar. Thank you.
Cheers.
I've decided to get one of these chairs for the stage. Yeah, that looks alright.
Yeah, that looks a bit faded. Brown. Oh, that's alright.
It's got a stain on it. This is why we don't day drink. We should not be allowed to be adults. Do you want to see our impulse purchases? Are you ready for this? Firstly, we have this telescope, which is actually really, really freaking cool. Love that. And then this bad boy. This is so good. So we thought this would be really cool for the stage because we were in need of some kind of seat. But the cool thing about this is you can take that off and then it turns into a little chaise. This is what we've been after the whole time. It was a right mission to get this in an Uber, but we did it. Does anyone recognise where I am? I'm back at my old house with my old housemates. We're having a reunion. We've currently drunk a bottle of red wine, which is nice.
It's gorgeous.
And now Stella is cooking.
With notes of green pepper, Katie.
Notes of green pepper.
Notes of green pepper.
Look. Dell's cooking us a meal from a Dishoom recipe book called Chloe Bachour. Oh my god, beautiful. We're having this, and she's been soaking the chickpeas in tea bags for a good...
It's over here. It looks like diarrhea.
That is so interesting. Chickpeas.
It's a very interesting colour.
Does it, can you smell it?
It smells... It smells like tea.
Does it?
It does, yeah. The whole house smelled like tea earlier. No, it smells nice. Get your nose in there.
Oh my god. Well up for this. Oh, I miss this place.
No.
It looks so different. I'll show you guys the living room because it looks so different to when we were in here. Very minimalistic, very Swedish, Scandinavian, which is completely different to how it looked when Rhea and I were here because we had so much stuff. Can you leave me a comment if you remember me living here? It was only like 4 months ago. Feels like forever ago though.
To prepare the ingredients.
I haven't seen it. Guys, look at this.
What the finished product.
Right, so I'm home. G has found this amazing programme on BBC One, which is called Hidden Kingdoms. And it's literally like nothing we've ever seen before. The photography on it is so good, so I thought I'd record our reactions of a chipmunk catching falling chestnuts.
You're not going to show him putting it in his face?
No.
What do you mean no?
I just want to your reaction. This is what we're watching. Look. Look at this this cinematography. It's like a movie. How are they doing this?
We don't like him. Very small cameras. That's not real though.
That can't be real.
That is.
That can't be real shot. Look at that.
Is this your version of Gogglebox?
Yeah.
Look at his massive little hands.
A quick quality check and the first nut goes in the bag.
You're like that with chocolate. You can see like every little fibre.
How many's gonna fit in?
Look at it!
Look at that. He's stuffing the nuts in.
That's like the 4th one.
It's like that marshmallow challenge. How many marshmallows can you fit in your gob?
He's very cool. I love his little racing stripes.
Can you call me Chipmunk?
My little chipmunk. Is that because you love stuff in your face?
I like hoarding chocolate and nuts.
Yeah, you do like hoarding.
To keep its nuts safe.
How have they filmed that?
How did they film that?
What's that?
Is an older chipmunk.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh,
I mean, a tiny little chipmunk doesn't need that many nuts.
it might do for the whole winter.
No, but the equivalent would be like a flat full of nuts. Look at it!
If you do bad karma like that, you'll get bad karma in return. Someone will steal your nuts.
What, you think chipmunks have karma?
Oh!
It was an American thing.
That's not real.
It is, babe. It's just small, it's like tiny little cameras. Why has it got like a jazz soundtrack? What?
What is going on?
What is this show?
This is really trippy. It's like James Bond.
They need food every 2 hours.
Fucking hell.
that
You would be a
mean?
tree shrew then in that case.
Tree shrew.
Taming of the tree shrew. What was that?
Orangutan.
Tree shrew.
Hungry with
How'd you say it? Orangutan.
Orangutan?
Orangutan.
Tan.
Tang.
No, no.
Orangutan. Nature is so weird.
I'm just going to narrate this.
To you, the new David Attenborough.
David Attenborough. I'm the new David Attenborough.
Some figures are coming.
The fuck?
Ooh, eel,
That's a pig.
donkey,
That's a pig. What the?
warthog.
That is ugly. We used to have a dog that looked like that.
You said something like a warthog.
Yeah, we used to call it a
more
warthog.
than a man, these bearded pigs are as aggressive
Bearded pig.
as our greed.
He's scared. Look at him.
Yeah, it looks just like our old dog, Matilda.
Matilda.
Pigs don't eat shrews, do they?
Pig fact: pigs have the longest orgasm out of all animals.
Do they eat shrews? Surely, why would a pig eat a shrew?
Because it's food.
Oh, it's like the Running Man.
Have you seen Hunger Games?
I haven't.
Oh,
I've seen Running Man though. Have you seen Running Man?
babe, would you read Hunger Games with me? Because we're reading his Dark Materials.
Yeah.
Oh, Hunger Games is so good.
We need to finish this time.
I know, guys, how good is Hunger Games? I bloody love the books, bloody love the films. Let's watch them.
Whoa! It's like the Matrix. It's with chipmunks.
It's like
Turn it round, babe.
It's like,
This is.
I can't copyright reasons.
They've gone all bullet time.
This is like Snow White 1/8 shit. Imagine editing this. Oh
don't
no,
like-
no.
Look at that. That is
Well, that was a
amazing.
cool shot.
That is so Matrix.
Grammy award winning.
Grammy award winning. Grammy award. Because they did the soundtrack for this. These little chipmunks. Chipmunk Forest Jams.
Oh,
Do we see they beatbox?
chipmunks.
Yeah, chipmunk beatbox. You've not seen that.
You know.
And so when the chipmunks are doing that and cleaning their face, the comedians go.
That's brilliant.
Oh, shows how they
the
film
making
it.
of. The making of.